Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be checking out the Spigen Pro Flex AC Fit for your Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2. So I really needed a screen protector for my 44mm, and when I was browsing on Amazon, I noticed this screen protector. The reason why this one caught my attention is because it's got a tray guide to install the screen protector. So as you know, sometimes it is quite difficult to install the screen protector on the screen display because you really have to get precisely in the middle the screen protector. So sometimes it can get quite difficult. Sometimes it's off center, and sometimes you get some bubbles and so forth. So this is the reason why I got this. Basically, it will guide you to make sure that the screen protector is perfectly aligned in the middle. So this will be my very first time of doing this. I'm going to be doing it together with you guys, and let's do an unboxing and then we'll install it. Okay, so that's nothing else there. It comes with your lens and screen cleaning wipes, along with a squeegee and some cloth there. You do get, I think there should be, oh, it's only one. Okay, so you get only one screen protector, and it looks like it's a tempered glass type of screen protector. All right, so let's check out the case, the tray. Oh, you actually get two, so that's awesome. And it looks like there's one already there installed. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's open this up. Okay, there's your squeegee, and you got your dust removal sticker. And yeah, so let's grab my watch. It looks like I have to remove my strap to fit it on the tray. And let's lift this up here. Let's just make sure that we got this aligned like so. Okay, and let's put the watch on top like that. Let's grab my cloth, microfiber cloth, I think that's what it's called. Let's just make sure it's nice and clean. We could use this wipe. That's quite big. So just wipe it through the skin, all over the screen, to make sure you get rid of all those debris or residue that's hard to get. Just make sure you wipe it through, and it looks pretty clean. And if you notice there is some lint, you could use this, the lint remover. But let's just finish it off with the cloth to make sure it's nicely cleaned all around. Okay, so it looks pretty good, guys, and it's pretty much ready. Okay, so all I need to do is grab the top portion here and just remove the sticker here where it says remove. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it says there to remove. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that out. Okay, and just align it on the tray See if you guys could see that there on the video. Okay, let me just put it down here so that I get full control. Okay, so it looks like I already messed up there. See, there's a debris there. I should have removed the sticker downward. So the best solution to do that is grab your non-removable sticker and just kind of pluck it out there. Or maybe it's on the other side. I don't know if it's in this side or the other side, but I don't know if you guys can see that there is a lint there right here, and I'm trying to remove it. It seems like it's not coming off. Anyways, whatever, it is what it is. So next time, just make sure to hold it like that and remove it from the bottom. So I'm gonna place this on top, align it, and that's it. So grab your squeegee right here and just squeegee it downward right here. Start from the bottom and go to the top. Okay, bottom and to the top. And now all you have to do is just lift it up. Remove the sticker from the top here. Okay, so as you can see, there was a lint, damn it. There was a lint underneath, guys. So we're gonna try this again. I wanna make sure that we remove that stupid lint. Look at that. It's right underneath. But as you can see, the installation was really good. All I have to do, you see some bubbles there. You just have to push it from the side and it's gone. So the installation is quite easy, guys. It's just the procedure of removing the back of the screen protector. You really have to be careful so that you don't get any lint or anything like that. But when removing it, it's quite easy as well. So here's the tempered glass, and here's the lint here that was stuck there. It wasn't coming off. So here is the tempered glass. As you can see, it has some quite of a thickness to it. So you'll definitely have plenty of protection if you do accidentally hit your screen display on something. And yeah, let's do that again. And I hope there will be no lint attached to the screen display on the screen protector already. Okay. So this video might be extra long now since we are going to be doing it for the second time again. Okay, so it looks good. Let's grab the extra. Here it is. So make sure to remove it downward, guys. Okay, so right like so that we don't catch any lint. Okay. There you go, and it looks very clean, no lint whatsoever. Now we could place this on top like so, and just glide your squeegee from the bottom to the top like so. Bottom to the top. Okay, so it looks really good. So now I just have to lift it up. And you do notice bubble on there, on the right and on the left. You just have to slide your thumb, kind of slide the bubble to the side there, and hopefully it should disappear. It's slightly still there. Okay. Yeah, just keep sliding. And it should go away if you keep pushing hard, which I am doing. Okay, I think that's the best I can do, guys. I still do notice the bubble in there. But you guys already saw the first try. There was no bubble. So you really have to still be careful when you are using the squeegee to make sure that you are pushing the edges as well to get rid of the bubble. But I guess that's pretty much all you can do right now. I can't remove those bubble. It's there, it's stuck. But anyways, you have the idea of what kind of, how to install this. And again, you do have 2 extra screen protector. If you screw up, just try to install the other one. But in my case here, it looks like the first one was defective, or I guess the lint was already there. And now we have to deal with this bubble. But if you do get it right, the installation is pretty simple. It is perfectly aligned on your watch there, but it's just, you know, the bubble, you really have to be careful on how to do the squeegee to distribute it evenly on the surface of the screen display. Well, anyways, I'm gonna probably just keep this, guys. I do need a screen protector on my 44mm Active 2. And let's turn this on. If we could see that bubble, look at that, it's quite noticeable there, guys, and I cannot get rid of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to lift this up and see if I could try to get rid of that bubble, because this thing will just bother me if it's there, and it's quite hard to remove already, guys, on the side here. Let me see. Oh, there you go. I managed to, okay, I managed to lift it up. Let me just turn this off so I could really see. So I managed to lift it up, but it's still, okay, there you go. Okay, it's still there, guys. Okay, so, okay, it's gone now. Just a little bit more. But of course, if you're doing this, you are distributing more debris and lint inside. But this is the only way to fix it. So I think maybe, I don't know, hold on. This one is hard to remove the edge here, guys. It's because it's, oh, we're almost there. Okay, so I caused more bubble there. Let me lift it up some more. Okay, it looks like it's getting better. Just one more spot. Okay, there you go. Wow, I got it fixed. No more bubble. So if you do notice that bubble, what you have to do is pretty much try to relift the screen protector again and kind of just slide it through, or slide it your thumb on the edge while you're lifting and placing the screen protector so that you could get rid of the bubble. And as you can see, it is nice and clean now, and I could finally enjoy it. So you really have to be careful on how to install it when you're using the squeegee, to make sure that you distribute it evenly on the surface so that you don't get all this silly bubbles. And there you go, we got it installed. And now I could show you guys around what it looks like. And as you can see, it is perfectly centered on your watch, guys. So there you have it. Nice screen protector. And go check them out if you guys are interested. If you can do it one time only, that would be awesome. So once again, guys, there you go. So once again, thank you for watching my video. I know this video is going to be a little bit longer than usual, but I just want to show you guys in real life what you will be dealing if you do encounter this scenario like what I encountered right now. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.